Hey everyone, just a quick update video today. My plumber came back today and he replaced the leaking fitting. So took him about hour and a half to do this, which it worked out to be about what he needed. He wasn't going particularly slow or anything. And yeah, he replaced everything from the shutoff all the way up to here, and he cut this pipe, cut a new thread for this piece of pipe, and yeah, no more leak. And also, while he was working, he determined that the union for the gas purge valve was loose, barely hand tight, so he tightened that up too. That was definitely someone prior to me because I didn't touch that. So, and as you saw in the prior videos, I got all the gas line in. I had it pressured up overnight and came back today. No smell of gas. So at some point I will do an actual leak test around all the fittings, but give it some time to stay pressurized and make sure there's no leaks. So there is another update outside. Give me a second and I will take you out there. Alright, we are outside, and it also just so happened that the town showed up again this morning to finish burying the line for the neighbor, and they also, while they were here, they smoothed out, at least much better than it was, all of the storm sewer line that they had installed a week or so ago when it was pouring rain. It's actually fairly nice out today. For mid-December in Rochester, it's actually 45 degrees today, so I'll take it. Come see what they did over here, because I actually haven't even come over and looked yet. And it looks like they put the line sticking out right there, right in line with the gutter. That should be great for the neighbor. Alright, so that's it for this video. Like I said, just a quick update. So thanks for watching, everyone.